Welcome back, everyone. It's the season to spruce up your home, and with tomorrow being Earth Day, home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery is helping us tackle those home projects while saving energy and money. Thank you so much for joining us, Kathryn.
Kimberly, love chatting with you. Happy almost Earth Day.
Yes, absolutely. So where do we begin saving energy and saving money?
Well, let's start out by saving some water. So I am going to have you rethink the way you water. I want you to water directly at the root. So this is the brand new Root Quencher Spike. It enhances your drip irrigation system. It's 6 inches. It is so easy to install, Kimberly. You punch it right there into your existing line. No tools needed. It's got a flow control on the top to control the water. You can remove the top and fertilize. So not only are you watering directly at the roots where your plants need it most, you're feeding them as well. So there's an adapter for potted plants. You know, Root Quencher products are perfect for homeowners and professional landscapers who want to properly water and feed directly at the roots. No more wasting water on that surface watering. That's the Root Quencher. It goes down from 22 inches all the way. This Spike is 5. These are made in the USA products, all recycled material, so you're feeling better about it. So